I'm so excited that today I've had the opportunity to be here and to witness this historic event. Is something that I'll never forget of. This is the most revered house in the traditional setup of this country. And so for me to be privileged to have this opportunity, I think that I'm going to put it as part of my live encounter and to refer to it that my children should be proud that once upon a time their father had the opportunity to participate in this very important program. Your Royal Majesty, the Ashanti Opemsuo Chairman, the President of the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, Nananom, our distinguished chiefs, elders, and honored guests, the CEO of Mineral Commission, and our revered board chair, and the board member who is representing the board chair, my colleagues from Minerals Commission, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Once again, let me say good morning. It is with deep reverence and gratitude that I stand before this August gathering of the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs, the custodians of our rich heritage and the stewards of this great land. I bring warm greetings from my boss, the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Ama Kofibua, who regrets his inability to be here today as he has to attend to a very important and equally pressing engagement. Indeed, last night around 7 o'clock p.m., he gave me a call and said that the president wanted to see him this morning at 11 o'clock. And so I have to stop whatever I'm doing and come here to represent him. He wants me to sincerely apologize to the Overlord and our revered chiefs for his inability to be here. He has also asked me to tell the Overlord that he will find a special time to come and honor him once again. Today, we gathered under the wise leadership of Opemsuo II to discuss a matter of crucial importance, the review of Ghana's Minerals and Mining Act 2006 at 703, which has been variously amended over the years. Nananom, the Ashanti region has long been the heartbeat of Ghana's mineral wealth, particularly in gold, which has sustained livelihoods, driven economic growth, and shaped our history. Yet, we always recognize that the full potential of this wealth has not always been realized for the benefit of our people. Under the leadership of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, his government is committed to ensuring that this time the review of the Act corrects the imbalances of the past and secures a brighter future for the benefit of all Ghanaians. The Ashanti region is not just a mining hub, it is the home of the traditional bond between land and people, and where royalty has endured centuries. However, the current system often sidelines the very custodians of the land in diseases that affect their communities, and this review seeks to change that. Nananom, no mineral rights, whether for small scale, medium, or large scale mining, should be granted without the full involvement and consultation with the traditional authorities. Your endorsement will be a key requirement in the licensing process, ensuring that mining aligns with the needs and values of our community. Government is also committed to empowering Ghanaians to own and operate mines, even at the large-scale level. As we talk now, most of the large-scale companies in this country are owned by foreigners. It is the commitment of this government to ensure that Ghanaians are able to take up large-scale consignments and, with the support of government, to be able to drive the most benefit that we're supposed to get from mining. We will introduce policies that will prioritize local investors and ensure that the wealth from our soil benefits our people first. We are also introducing what we call the Cooperative Mining Scheme, an initiative that will allow local cooperatives under the co-guidance of Nananoms to own and manage mining ventures in a structured, sustainable manner. And very soon the CEO will take us through some of the details. The profits will directly fund community developments such as schools, hospitals, roads, and also create jobs. As we talk, most of the activities or most of the things that we get from our mining, especially the community mining, which we are now moving into a cooperative mining, is nothing to write home about. This time we want to ensure that the communities benefit from the mineral deposits that they have. And to do this, there's a need for us to consult the owners of the mineral resource. And the owners are the ones that we are talking to today. Your Royal Highness, your visionary leadership in promoting responsible mining and land preservation is well known. From your interventions in Galamsey to your advocacy for sustainable development, you have shown that progress must never come at the cost of our heritage. You'll be able to combine or blend whatever benefit that we're supposed to get without forgetting our heritage. And we need to applaud you, we need to commend you. I don't know whether we can clap for His Royal Majesty. This review presents an opportunity to formalize and expand this leadership that you have been championing. We seek your guidance to do a few things. One, to ensure mining benefits Ghanaians first, not just the multinationals that we are dealing with. Two, we want to seek your guidance and to ensure that we protect our lands and water bodies from degradation and pollution. We know you are doing a lot, but we want to find a legal framework within which we can support you to be able to do more. We intend to support cooperatives and local miners in building lawful, profitable enterprises. It is the wish of the President that small-scale miners will graduate to become large-scale miners. And we can do that if we have a legal framework with your support to be able to achieve that. Nananom, the success of this policy depends on your wisdom and partnership. We therefore invite your input on a few things. One, how best to integrate traditional oversight into the licensing process. Nananons must participate in the process of licensing these cooperatives. Hitherto, chiefs are there and people will walk to them and say that I've been given a license to come and mine in your community. This time, His Excellency, the President, is saying that that should become a thing of the past. The chiefs must participate in deciding who mines in their areas. And this is very, very important. You cannot have your mineral deposits sit in your palace and somebody will come and fly a letter over your face and say that I've been asked to come and mine in your community. The mineral resources belong to you and you must participate in deciding who mines it and what benefits you get from it. We also intend to ensure that we create ways to strengthen community ownership under the cooperative mining scheme. We have abolished cooperative mining, community mining, and we are asking for cooperative mining. The difference is that with cooperative mining, the community, the chiefs, stakeholders will own the business. Hitherto, under the community mining, individuals were the ones who have control over the system. And this is what the President, working through his minister and our Minerals Commission officers, want to change. We also want to ensure that measures are put in place to hold miners accountable to the people and the land. Once you have this framework, you cannot mine anyhow and leave the place anyhow. The chiefs are there to supervise you. Minerals Commission officers are empowered to supervise you so that you mine responsibly. Your Royal Highness, together we can craft a policy and laws that honors our legacy while securing its future. Your Royal Highness, on behalf of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, President John Dramani Mahama, my own Minister for Land and Natural Resources, who is committed to ensuring that the natural resources that we have in this country benefits the people. And on behalf of the government of Ghana, I extend our deepest gratitude to His Royal Highness and the Ashanti Regional House of Chiefs for your continued leadership. Let us do this together, and we believe that by the close of the day, you will make relevant inputs into this policy process. And at the end of the day, the glory shall be to you and all of us. On this note, I want to thank you for giving me your audience. May God bless us all.